Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming my February favorites, and I have kind of like a little bit of everything going on right now. So I have some lip products, some face products, and then some eye products. So let me know down below what you guys have been enjoying lately, and I'm going to share with you what I've been liking. I have a couple of lip products. I think my most basic one has just been Carmex. Carmex has really just kind of help my lips be moisturized during the winter months, and like this is like the cheapest thing you can literally find for your lips, and I find like it helps the most. Like I've tried, what is the other one I've tried? Kupari, I think. This one is really nice. It smells really nice, but it's like 14 bucks, whereas you can buy a pack of 3 of these for like 5 or 6 bucks. So Carmex has definitely been my go-to for moisturizing my lips. I have a couple of liquid lipsticks that I have been liking. My first one has been the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick. It's called Nude Chica, and it is a really pretty color. I have it on today, but I mixed it in with a different liquid lipstick, but I do like this one on its own. It's just a really nice pale rosy pink kind of color, and it really does look really nice and flattering on the lips. I love the formula of the Dose of Colors. It really just kind of applies in one swipe, and it's lasts for a long time, and it fades off really nicely throughout the day. So I have really been liking this one. Another one is by Rimmel, so it's drugstore. I can't remember how much I paid for this one, but I will list all the prices down below as I'm talking about them. This one is called the Stay Satin Liquid Lip Color, and the color is called Sike 200 Sike. Oh my gosh, it's so similar. It's so similar to the Dose of Colors. Actually, you probably can't even tell the difference. It's this one right here. So it's a little bit lighter than the Dose of Colors, which is right here. And this one won't dry down completely matte like the Dose of Colors because it's a satin finish, but it will last a long time. So it goes on, it's really comfortable to wear, it doesn't feel drying on the lips, and it lasts for quite a while. So I have really been enjoying the Stay Satin, what's it called? Liquid lip color. Next I have a lip gloss by Fenty Beauty, and it is called her Fenty Glow Lip Gloss. This one has been really nice to just really throw on top of a lipstick or even a liquid lipstick if you want to add some shine to it. And it smells really nice. It's super sweet, and it's glowy, and it feels really nice and soft on the lips. It's very comfortable. It's not your sticky gloss that like feels so uncomfortable and sticky like as you're wearing it. It just feels really nice and comfortable. I have that one right here. Next, I have only one. Yeah, I only have one eye product. It's a Sephora mascara, and it's called Outrageous Volume Dramatic Volume Mascara. I lie, I have 2 products. I like mixing these two. So I have been mixing the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara and the Sephora Outrageous Volume Dramatic Volume Mascara. So I will apply this Maybelline one first, coat my lashes. I feel like the bristles are really nice, and they kind of grab all your lashes and add volume to it and lengthen. And then the Sephora one has been really nice to add even more volume. Like, I don't know if you can see, but it's there's a lot of bristles on there, and I feel like it really just catch all the bristles and add a lot of volume to your lashes. Next, I have a few face products. So for moisturizing, well, I wouldn't use it too much for moisturizing. I use this one more for priming my face when I wear foundation. Okay, so this is the Embryolisse Laboratories product, and it's called Let Crème Concentré, and it is a multifunction nourishing moisturizer. It's advertised as a moisturizer, makeup primer, and moisturizing mask. I've only really used it as like makeup primer / moisturizer. So I'll kind of apply, before my foundation, I'll apply a little bit of my normal face cream, and then I'll add a little bit of this one just kind of around here and there for like a makeup primer. And I really like how my makeup layers on top of this. I feel like it does add a lot of moisture to my face, and my foundation does go on just clean and even all over my face. Next, I have really been loving, I feel like I'm almost out of this, it's the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Plus Color Correcting Full Coverage Cream Plus Anti-Aging Hydrating Serum. It is like kind of, I guess you can say, their CC cream foundation. I really do like this one. I do mix it in with a bit of my MAC Face and Body because the shade that I have in this one is medium. They don't have too many shades, so medium I feel like it suits my skin tone, but it's a little too neutral. So I do like a bit more of a golden undertone, so I do mix in Face and Body or any foundation that's a bit more golden to kind of match my face. That's pretty much what I do have on my face today, is a mixture of these two. So this foundation smells like the Betty Crocker cake mix. When when you're like mixing it up and you have your what's it called? The batter. When you're mixing it up and you have the batter, and like when you're a kid you go and like lick the spoon and stuff. This is pretty much what that smells like, and I love applying it because it smells like cake batter. Not sticky at all, but it smells so nice as you're applying it. Next I have Dose of Colors highlighter. It's the Desi and Katie Fuego highlighter. I am wearing that one today, layered on top of a liquid highlight, and it's just really pretty. It feels so soft and it's so nice, and it really does reflect the light so nicely. I find like it's, for me, I love this kind of highlight. It's just really nice golden champagne kind of color, and it really does pop. I mean, you can put it on its own, or you can kind of mist your face with like Fix Plus or some kind of setting spray, and then go over again with the highlighter, and it pops even more. And yeah, so I've really been enjoying this highlight. It is definitely one of my favorites nowadays. My last product is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. This one I've kind of been using before I put on my foundation, just to add a little bit of moisture to my face, and then when I'm done my makeup I will set my face with this, and when it's still kind of a little damp I'll go in with my highlight that I'm gonna wear for the day, and I find like everything really does pop. My makeup still looks really good throughout the day. It's really nice. I mean, the mist is super fine. It comes out really nicely, and you can just kind of hold it down and spray as you want. I don't like the scent as much as I like the MAC Fix Plus, but I still do really enjoy this product. It goes on really nicely. I don't get any of those, you know, those like when you apply Fix Plus, sometimes it doesn't spray properly and you get like little dots all over your face. This does not do that, so I do really like that. I find like when I get those dots all over my face, it kind of ruins my makeup and it's super annoying. So it's nice that the Morphe one does not do that. That is pretty much it for my February favorites. I really hope you enjoyed that. I am actually right now gonna show you my song favorites of the month, so I will go into that, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay, so my first song favorite is by Rakimi Kenway, and it's called No Reciclo Amores. My next song favorite is by Nati Natasha, and it's called Pamalayo. So I have really been on a Nati Natasha kick, and I've been loving her music. So my next song is also by Nati Natasha, and it is called La Mejor Versión de Mí. La mejor versión de mí no la conociste tú, porque siempre me frenaste con tu pésima actitud. Nunca pude ser quien era por amarte a tu manera. Y porque hoy que no te tengo tantas cosas, ahora empiezo a disfrutar un poco más las rosas. Porfa, no me insistas. Okay, I'm gonna start. I'm like so shy right now. I don't know why. I know. I'm sure like it'll become like second nature eventually.